how to verify Cash App account without SS number. This is a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so all that you have to do is just open your Cash App, and when you open it, when you look at the top right hand corner, you see you have the profile icon. Just tap on it. So when you tap on it, just scroll down and then come to where we have the security and privacy. Okay, and then click on it. So just tap on the security and privacy once, and it will open this one. So when it opens, just scroll through and then come to where we have the identity verification. Okay, so over here it says that verify your info to help them prevent fraud on Cash App. So just click on the verify, just tap it once. When you tap it once, over here you have to go by the personal info first. You have to confirm your details, and all that you have to do is simply click on the personal info. Okay, so just tap on the personal info and it will bring you right here. The first thing that you have to do is to put in your legal name here, the first legal name and then the last legal name. Then just look down and then click on the next. So after that, you have to put in your date of birth. Okay, so just put in the date, the month, then the year, then tap on the next. This is the usual verification process. Okay, so when you tap on the next, what you have to do now is to simply put in your SS number. This is very important. The reason why Cash App allows you to put it here is to prevent fraud and then to just help you as a customer. Okay, they will not use it for anything. They will not check your credit card or anything. So if you have it, I recommend you put it here to verify it. But if you don't have it for any reason, the only way to go by it without using the SS number is to just tap on the profile icon here. As you can see, the top right hand corner, just tap on it and then just scroll through where we have the family. Okay, just come in and select the family. And over here, what you are going to do is that you are going to create a sponsored account. So with the sponsored account, all that you need is a family member who have already registered and then verified the Cash App with their details and then documents. Okay, and they are going to invite you to use their details to create this account. Mostly all that you have to do is to just find this family member. They will show you the invite and then you'll be able to register your own Cash App account using their details, and this is allowed with the Cash App. Okay, so the only way to go by without using the SS number is to simply go by the sponsored account. I hope you have learned it. Like it and then see you in my next video.